How to create PayPal account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create PayPal account. PayPal is an online payment system that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money securely via the web or mobile application. Here's how you can create an account on PayPal. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in paypal.com. This is the official URL of PayPal. Once you enter the URL, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it, and within a while, you will be taken to the official website of PayPal. Here in this page, you will be able to locate sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on the sign up button, and then you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Click on the box and enter your email address. Once after entering your email address, click on the next button right here. Now here you will need to add your phone number. Once after entering your phone number, click on this next button right here. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this field. After entering the code, now you will need to create a strong password for your account. After that, you'll also need to verify your email. For that, a verification link will be sent to your email address. You will need to confirm it, and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will see you have successfully created an account on PayPal. Now you will be able to link your bank account or credit or debit card to your PayPal account for transactions. Also ensure that all the information matches your identification documents to avoid issues with the transaction. So this is how you can create an account on PayPal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.